Welcome to the Corcoran video sweater class. If you've always wanted to knit for yourself a properly fitted, seamed pieced garment, this is the class for you. With an easy lace pattern throughout and simple shaping, it's the perfect blank canvas. If you're new to sweater knitting, you're going to learn all your foundational skills from how to read a schematic, picking the right size, the right fiber, blocking, gauge swatch, finishing, and everything in between. And with 12 sizes and tons of modifications, every knitter is guaranteed to make their perfectly fitted garment. Now, for you experienced knitters, this is the perfect sweater to make your own. It comes with tons of extra credit modifications. Want to make a scoop neck? Want to make the neck wider? How about short sleeves, 3/4 sleeves, long sleeves? Even working 2 different sizes, front and back, for a perfectly fitted garment. Now, with all my classes, I'm there to help you every step of the way. Just click the little speech bubble in the upper right-hand corner of whatever lesson you're in, ask a question, and I'll be right there to help. And on education.pattylyons.com, all your classes are yours forever. The videos are both streaming and downloadable, so take your time. And there's even a community group where knitters can get to know each other, share pictures, ask questions of each other, and just basically support each other and have fun. All right, I can't wait to get started with you and see what you knit.